Yo, what's going on, gang? Welcome back to another video. It's Friday, man. Lazy day. I'm not trading today. You feel me? We withdrawing. So I'm like, let me hop on YouTube and maybe react to a video. I see Chart Addicts here. Let me lower myself, right? I see Chart Addicts just uploaded a video, 6 trading strategies. Did I say chart addicts? I meant day trading addict. 6 trading strategies that'll destroy your small account. So I'm interested in what he has to say about destroying your small account. Let's get into it.
That will destroy your small account. Trust me, you're gonna love this one. So let's go. Now, I usually talk about high quality trading strategies, right? But today I actually want to do the opposite. I want to talk about low quality setups. So why do I want to do that? Because if you only know high quality setups and you don't understand low quality setups, that could actually mess you up. So it's actually good to know what
My boy got the fitted. No team, no. Let me stop.
doesn't work, okay? So you can actually avoid
My boy living good though. Chill out, chill out.
these trading strategies. And I'm here to help you guys today with that. So let's go to number one, guys. And the first one is joining the trend late. A lot of you guys will look at the trend, see it going up, and don't go in the first pullback, the second pullback, the third pullback. For some reason, you just wait until the trend is fully developed and you say, oh, I have to take a trade right now.
And it's always like, as soon as you jump into it, that's when shit want to reverse, bruh. That's exactly how this shit be going, bro.
All right. Now, let's show you guys an example of what I'm talking about. So right here, we have a new trend. Okay. So pretty much the market's going up right here. It's pulling back, going up, pulling back, going up, right? So you have multiple opportunities to get in. It's going up, pulling back, going up, pulling back, going up, even pull back some more. And now you're looking at the market and you're saying, man, the market is trending up. You know what? I need to get in. Okay. So you see the market pull back again. It looks like it's forming some type of support right here. And you get in right here. You go long right here. Okay. And guess what? You get stopped out. And I see this with, a lot of new traders. They get in too late when it comes to trend trading.
I definitely used to be on that type of time. Like I said, it seemed like you jump in, and as soon as you specifically jump in, that's when the trade want to reverse. Like,
Okay, guys, you have to learn how to get in early or learn how to get in the middle when the market is trending up. Don't wait until you see 6, 7 pullbacks and then now you want to get in because now the market looks like it's strong and you are saying to yourself, oh my gosh, I got to get in because the market's going to leave me. You don't want to do that, okay? So right here, guys, this is a good example of a low quality trading strategy. So let's go to number two. Number two, guys, is
trend
blindly
is your
buying
friend.
or selling supply and demand. Let me show you guys a quick example. So right here, guys, we have the market going up right here. And you see the market push up right here and you say, oh man, this looks good. This looks like a nice demand area right here. I want to get in. So as soon as the market gets to that demand area, you say, you know what? I'm just going to buy. I'm just going to set a limit order and let's see if the market is going to push back up. And this is not the
bro,
way to
it's
go,
crazy.
especially if you
Everyone
are
draws supply and demand so differently, bro. Like, that's why my eyes got big. I'm like, what the fuck?
a new trader. Okay. Me personally, some trades I don't use confirmation. I get it straight away, but I would say 98% of the time I'm looking for some type of confirmation, right? So I want you to make sure when you trade in supply and demand, wait for some type of setup to form around that level or that demand area or that supply area, and then you could take that trade, right? So right here, guys, this is a low quality setup and you don't want to get used to.
I definitely used to do this though. Like, just because it's at support or resistance, support buy, resistance sell, which, you know, You can profit off of doing that, but it, you know, like you said, is low quality. You know what I mean? So
to
yeah,
taking trades
it's
like this. So
little
let's go to
amateur
number
stuff.
three. And number three is selling at support or buying at resistance.
I literally just said that. That's crazy.
So let me show you guys a quick example. So you see the market right here, right? We have resistance around this area right here. And we have support around this area right here. Okay? A lot of new traders will buy either as soon as it breaks out
Oh
at
no.
resistance or as soon as price breaks down when it goes below support. And that's the wrong thing to do. So a lot of new traders will see this big green candle and you say, oh my gosh, the market is going up, I have to buy. So you buy right here.
When I started, listen, where my crosshairs, right? I'm selling every time they come here. I'm selling here. Every time they come here, I'm buying till that motherfucker loses, bro. Just straight like that.
And you are right at resistance. You don't want to do that. You don't want to buy right at resistance because there's a strong possibility it go up a little bit and then slam right back down. Same thing with support. You don't want to sell at support, okay? You see the market going down and you're looking at the market and you say, oh man, it's most likely it's going to go down. I have to sell right here. You sell right here, boom, they trap you and you get stopped out. So buying at resistance and selling at support, guys, is a low quality trade. So please watch out for that. So let's go to number four. Number four is buying or selling as soon as the news comes out. So let me show you guys a quick example. So right here, guys, we have
This is actually a good video because this is a lot of amateur mistakes, bro. Like I done lost a lot of money doing with exactly what he's talking about right now, especially with like US 30. I don't even trade news anymore. You know what I mean?
a big news candle right here. The market is selling off, and you want to get in, right? You
Yup.
know that the news just came out, and you're looking at this big red candle, and you're saying to yourself, man, I have to get in because sellers are controlling the market, and most likely we are going to go down. And the market pulled back a little bit, and you see this red bar, and you say, I'm going to get in right here because the market's going to continue to go back down, and guess what? You get stopped out. And then you say, you know what, man, I have to do it again. You go short right here, you get stopped out. You go short right here, you get stopped out. You go short right here, you get stopped out. You go short right here, maybe a break even. Go short right here, get stopped out. So when it comes to the news, guys, you do not want to trade right away when the news come out, okay? That's a low quality trade. And the best thing to do, in my opinion, is to either wait 15 minutes after the news and figure out what the market is going to do. Me personally, I like to go against the news. So what that simply means is whatever the market is going when the news come out, I usually like to, go against that move if a setup appears. But
Listen, or to beat all of this shit, just don't trade the news, bruh. Like simple as that. I'm not discrediting bro. Like bro is obviously doing something right, but like dude, there's a million moves in the markets a day. Like because there's news, like stop chasing trades, bro. Like I tell this to my students all the time. Like if it's news, do you, bro? But me personally, I'm not trading it. There's no reason. Like for what? So this sold right here. Right now you in a hurry to let me jump in and sell. Like you're not trading based off skill. You're gambling. You're just trying to you know you're being a fiend. You're fiending for money, nigga. You could have sold over here, sold over here, sold over here. Why are you waiting till this happens to try to jump in the market? You know what I mean? So sorry, I have to speak my piece on that.
I don't do that all the time, but it is a good strategy once you see a setup. So right here, you see the market going down. Now, notice how we try to make a new low and we couldn't. Maybe I would try to get in right here, okay, for that quick move, maybe to one of these resistance up here and get out, okay? So that's how I would like to play the news. It doesn't happen like this all the time, so don't expect it to happen like this all the time. But when news come out, I just relax. I wait maybe 15, 20 minutes, and then I
We're gonna jump into
do
the
not trade exactly when the news come in,
point.
right? So touch at number five. Number five, trading the fourth or the fifth touch at support or resistance.
I've never heard of this, so I'm interested And what do you got to say?
So here is a good example right here, guys. We have 1, 2,
I've heard of the third touch.
3, 4, and 5. So notice how the fourth touch, it worked. And sometimes it will work, okay? But sometimes the fourth or the fifth touch, the market is going to probably break, okay? And it's probably not going to hold. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at that fifth touch, okay, me personally, I'm like, I don't know. Now, taking that fifth touch, okay, to me is a low quality trade because, eventually the market is going to break. It's not going to continue to hit that resistance zone forever. So it's probably best to wait. You can probably get in, but if you do, maybe do it with small size or whatever the case is. But to me, I probably sit back and wait.
Find you a strategy, bro. I'm looking at this like, okay, you got resistance here. You keep touching. Okay, boom, you break out. I see a break and retest right here. You feel me? And then take the trade. But again, what he's talking about is a lot of amateur mistakes. Like I said, I've never heard of like a fifth touch. Like I know like some people talk about the third touch or whatever, but I mean, that's like made up shit, bro. You know what I mean? So
To see if the market wants to break up, and notice how we have this nice break to the upside and then pull right back to where? To resistance. Now the resistance is acting like support, okay? And notice how
I do this shit, man.
we went back up. So trading at that fourth or fifth touch, to me, could be a low quality trading strategy. So please watch out for that. Let's go to number 6. Number 6 is chasing breakout trades. So let me show you guys a good example. So right here, guys, we have a nice breakout, okay? And basically, you're looking at the market, right, going up, and you're like, oh man, I gotta get in. The market is moving without me. Let's get in right here, okay? So you get in right here, and you're looking for your profit. And guess what? The market goes up a little bit, and boom, stop you out. So right here, guys, this is a low quality trading strategy, chasing breakouts or chasing some type of, explosive move.
You can't chase trades, bro. I'm trying to tell you. Do not chase trades, bro.
To the upside or downside, because a lot of times the market will pull back, okay? So it's not just breakouts. Any type of strong move to the upside or to the downside, chasing that move, okay, sometimes or a lot of times you
I'm
will
gonna go
get
ahead and
hurt
go to
because
the
the market
last
will pull
one.
back. So to
And I'll
me,
give
it's
my
best to
thoughts
wait
on
for
it.
right now. And the bonus is counter trending. Now, I'm gonna show you guys a good example right here. So the market is going up, it's going up again, okay? And usually a lot of people, when they counter trend, they probably mad they missed the move. So they say, you know what? I missed the move to the upside. Most likely the market's gonna sell off or pull back. So let me try to counter trend real quick. So the market's going up, the market's going up. So they finally see this. They say, you know what, man, this is like a double top. Let me see if I can take this to the downside. They go short right here, get stopped out. And next thing you know, they see the strong red bar right here. Let me zoom in for you guys. This strong red bar, and they say, you know what, boom, let me go short right here. They get stopped out. So now they are mad because they got stopped out twice. So they go short again, get stopped out again. Go short again, get stopped out again. Now they finally go short, and it's going their way. But remember, they got stopped out maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So they want the market to go down a lot to actually get back all their losses and put money in their pocket, right? So they want the market to go all the way probably back down to here. So they come back. Most likely, if you are counter trending, and you had like 5 losers in a row, most likely you're not going to put your stop to break even. Even if it comes back to break even, you're not going to put it to break even. You're going to let it stop you out. Boom, you get stopped out again. So the market goes up again, and you say, you know what? This is it. This is it. It has to go down because
All right. My thoughts on the counter trend thing. I'm gonna say this. I'm not opposed to counter trend trading, but I feel like you have to be very skilled and very seasoned in the market to even think about counter trending. You know what I mean? Like for an amateur or a new trader, like no, do not counter trend. The trend is your friend, like I just said before. Uh I wouldn't say it's low quality to counter trend. It just depends on the skill level of the of the trader. But so my thoughts on that, and forgive me, y'all, I just woke up and shit like that. But that was a great video, bro. That was a great video. It's crazy to, sometimes you just look at stuff like that, like in that video, and be like, damn, like I used to do things like that. You know what I mean? And just be like, yo, that's really like the journey. You know what I mean? That's really a lot of people's journeys. Like a lot of people go through the same things you do. So when you do see successful traders, you know what I mean? Just understand they all probably went through exactly what you're going through. Every time you think about giving up or anything of that nature, uh, but yeah, man, that was a good video. I definitely enjoyed that. That was more than what I expected. So um yeah, man, and shout out to let me get the name right. Let me not forget again. Day Trading Addict, right? Shout out to him. I think bro been trading forever, bro. You know what I mean? But that's it for this video. Like I said, it's Friday. Got bored. I don't trade Fridays, so that was definitely entertaining. So y'all let me know your thoughts below. Have you ever done any of these things? Are you currently doing any of those things? Like, what do you need to fix? You know what I mean? But that's it, gang. I'm out this thing. Y'all enjoy your weekend, and I'll catch y'all in another one. I'm out.